Deep in a peaceful European meadow, a forgotten Gripen waits. Today, an incredible restoration journey begins.
The damaged fighter is carefully recovered and transported to a state-of-the-art restoration facility.
Years of dirt disappear as the aircraft receives its first deep cleaning treatment. Engineers repair the airframe, restoring strength and precision to the fighter's structure. The heart of the aircraft is rebuilt, bringing power back to the legendary Gripen. Every surface is perfected and prepared for a stunning new finish. A beautiful metallic ice blue finish transforms the fighter into a modern masterpiece.
Final assembly brings every system together as the restored fighter nears completion.
Every restoration starts with recovery. The forgotten luxury machine is heading to the workshop. Inside a state-of-the-art workshop, the real restoration journey begins. The foundation is rebuilt stronger, restoring strength and precision. Piece by piece, the Spectre begins to regain its elegant form. A stunning new finish brings fresh life to this luxury masterpiece.
From forgotten wreck to rolling masterpiece, the Rolls-Royce Spectre lives again.
From abandoned wreck to breathtaking hypercar, the Ferrari F80 lives again. A true restoration miracle.